Today I want to talk to you guys about gift sets. I wanted to talk about specifically gift sets at beauty retailers, mostly Sephora, to be honest with you. So I wanted to get this up as soon as possible. I apologize that it's late. The last week and a half has just been a lot of things going on. Blah, blah, excuse, blah, blah, doesn't really matter. So let's get into it. So the first one that I'm going to talk about, the first one that caught my eye is from Benefit, and it is their Magical Brow Stars Blockbuster Brow Set. This is a $60 set, and it includes their eyebrow powder, their Ka-Brow brow gel, a mini one of their brow setting gel, both of their pencils, and then as a spoolie and an angle brush. I have to tell you, I really like Benefit's brow products. My favorite thing, I use this all of the time, and this is the Precisely My Brow. It's a very skinny brow pencil. I have had so many brow problems in my life that this immediately was like, oh, this is really cool. The value of this set is $140 and it's 60 bucks. You're like in the market and you just want to try a bunch of different things. This is the way to do it because you get to try all the different types of brow products that Benefit has, see what works for you, and then once you finish it, you can get a full size. The next one that, oh my gosh, this one I actually got myself the last time that Sephora did their 20% off, and that is the Bum Bum Carnival Magic Set from the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I got this because my friend would not stop talking about this lotion and this cream and how it smelled so good, and she was paying a lot of money for this cream, and I just didn't understand. I was like, why would you pay that much for it? This makes no sense to me. It's just a cream, it's just like a body lotion. Why? Then I saw this set. This set's $38, value is $55, and it comes with a full-size Bum Bum cream. It comes with a mini size, which is perfect for your purse. It comes with a fragrance spray, and it comes with, ooh, this is a different one than the one I have. Ooh, it comes with a lip butter, okay. The one that I got before came with a shower gel. The cream is so nice because it's nice and thick, but it's not tacky, and the scent stays there all day. A lot of the time scents kind of drift away, but this one smells magical. They're not kidding, it smells so good. And it stays all day. The container is gigantic, and the fact that you get like the mini one with it is such a good deal. I actually was talking to my mom about this the other day because I went over to her house and I saw, you know, the giant tub of it. I was like, Mom, you like this? She's like, oh my gosh, it's the best. And she's right. Oh, it just smells so good. I totally recommend checking that out. Of course, Sephora always has their fragrance sets, and I always think that those are a great gift, especially for anybody that you don't really know what they like, but you want to get them something nice. The fragrance sets are always nice. They have a cologne set for men, they have a fragrance set for women, and they come with a bunch of little samples so they can kind of test out the samples, see what they like, and then they have a little coupon that they can bring to Sephora to get a full size of whatever fragrance from the box they actually like. Those are a go-to for me. Nobody can be upset at that. You know, everyone likes to smell good, so that's the perfect way to figure out what scent works for them without guessing. And you know, everyone has like a different chemistry, and so you never know what could work for people. Those are always amazing. Sephora also has this Skin Wonderland set that I was kind of eyeing. It looks interesting. It is $64 and the value is $225, which is awesome. But I'm not sure how I feel about it because the biggest thing in there is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. That's not a bad cleanser, but for me it's a little bit too rich. I like a cleanser that is going to take off all the oil, dirt, and all of that stuff. This cleanser does that, but it just feels super, super emollient, and because my skin is not dry, I just don't love it. If you know someone, or if you have dry skin, then that's totally worth checking out. It's got a lot of stuff, so that's really cool. 15-piece set. I love, like I said, I love gift sets. It's the best way to find out, like, try different products. So let's see. Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate is amazing. That's a great thing that's in here. Ole Hendrickson Truth Serum is really nice too. Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Hey! Sunday Riley CEO. We've talked about Sunday Riley and my thoughts on them lately, but that is a really nice serum for sure. But there's a lot of stuff in here that I haven't tried. So honestly, if you're in the market for new skincare stuff or you're just wanting to try different brands, this is actually a really cool kit. There are definitely some winners, and it has good reviews. So it has 4.5 stars, and looking at the reviews, they definitely do not feel like they are not real. Drunk Elephant has a set too. They have, it's called Inspector Drunk. I've bought this set before, or if it wasn't exactly this one, it had exactly the same things in it. It's all right next to me, that's why I'm looking. TLC Framboos, which is their night serum, their glycolic night serum. It's absolutely amazing. I really like it. It's really nice if you have like texture on your skin, fine lines, even acne. It's really, it's like a exfoliating, like an acid exfoliator. Their cleanser, their jelly cleanser is really nice too. Yeah, I've used all of these things are really nice. This set is $98. Their value is $144. $98 is definitely not cheap when you're getting essentially like smaller fun size of these skincare items. So I totally understand if that's like a crazy amount, but if you've been looking to try out Drunk Elephant, this is the way to get introduced to their brand. That is by far the best way. I totally understand though if you're like, whoa, Leesha, you need to back up. That is too expensive, because it is very expensive. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay. This is another one that I saw that for the price of it and just seeing what's in it, I honestly, this is the one I think that everybody, get one for you, get one for your best friend, get one for your mom. This is the best. And this is from Laneige, and this is their Kiss and Makeup set. This set includes their lip sleeping mask, and then it includes 3 smaller ones of their lip sleeping mask in different flavors. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I have had an issue with dry lips and chapped lips and just annoyingness for a very long time. And I've tried literally every lip balm, every overnight mask, every drying, I've tried everything. This is what worked best. I love this lip mask. I don't wear it just at night, I'll wear it during the day, but what's great about it is that it is thicker. It's not sticky, but it's thick so that it's actually staying on your lips all night. It's not like some where you put it on and like it's gone. It's not one of those like wax-based, like a chapstick kind where it feels like, oh, I hate the way that chapstick feels. This is awesome. So this is $28. You get the full-sized lip mask in berry, which is the regular one that they have, and then they have smaller versions that are in grapefruit, apple, lime, and vanilla. This actually is in my cart right now. I had no real plans to get anything from the Sephora sale. I looked through everything and I couldn't decide what I wanted. I was like, nothing is really sticking out to me and saying like, you need to get this. But this Laneige set actually is for sure something that I think I'm gonna pick up. It's funny that I'm saying this because I already have my one that I use that's like half gone. I have a backup that I got when Sephora had their last sale, and then I see this and I'm like, ooh, I think I probably should get it. Even if your lips aren't dry and you just want to maintain them looking super luscious and delicious, this set, I'm telling you, it's so good. At everything I've seen at Sephora, it's at the top of my list. The Sephora favorites are always totally worth checking out. You know, you don't want to spend the money on a full-sized anything. Those are always something to check out because you can try a whole bunch of mini versions. And mini versions are the best because you're paying basically, you know, like for example, there's one right here that is Lash Stash and it's $48 and you're getting a ton. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're getting 10 mascaras, 2 of which look like they're full size for $48. A lot of mascaras, that's the cost of those 2 full-size mascaras, and you're getting all of these smaller size ones, which those are perfect if you want to have a makeup bag in your purse, like just something that, you know, you're like, crap, I forgot to put on makeup, or crap, I didn't have time to do this. You have it with you, you can fix your makeup, any of that stuff. So I always suggest checking out the Sephora favorites. Oh, Sol de Janeiro, this is the one that I got. I told you guys the Carnival Bum Bum Cream set. The one that I have is actually also on here. It's $59. And it comes with a hand cream, the shower gel, the fragrance, and then a full size of the Bum Bum Cream. I had gotten the mini, I have the mini one, I got it in something else. So either of those are fantastic, depending on what you want to do. I think that's all I want to talk about for today, because I did go through this the other day, and I was just looking at the gift sets that I thought were definitely awesome. So I would check out the Sephora favorites, the Laneige Kiss and Makeup one. Don't even like, you don't even have to do anything else. Just go get that. It's perfect. It's amazing. Everybody needs it. I'm telling you, it's my favorite by far. Let me know any gift sets that you've seen, maybe at Ulta or anywhere else that you're interested in. You ever get like phantom vibrations, like somebody's texting you? My phone's right in front of me and I was getting like this vibration, like phantom text in my leg. It's really weird. Okay, that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Make sure to subscribe, like, be the best. Love you. Bye.